Hey everybody, it's crypto time. If you're looking for a crypto exchange in 2025, then you are in the right place. We're about to review 3 of the most popular crypto exchanges out there today. We understand that finding the right crypto exchange can be very time-consuming and stressful. But don't worry, because today we're going to be comparing the top 3 crypto exchanges. First up, we have Binance. Known for having low fees and being compatible with a vast number of coins, Binance is possibly the most popular choice. Next, there's Coinbase. Coinbase has a user-friendly interface and educational resources that makes it a great choice for beginners in the crypto game. Finally, there's Kraken. Robust security features combined with advanced trading options make Kraken a solid competitor and another great choice. If you're interested in discovering more about cryptocurrency and crypto exchanges, then be sure to check out the videos on screen now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you find the right crypto exchange and more. Check out this playlist of videos and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.